90 minutes in. Flippity
Flippity
flip.
flip.
Yes.
Look at that box.
You know what I got a taste for? I got a taste for some chopped beef. Barbecue chopped beef. Got this nice 3-pounder here. Boneless chuck roast. All right. We're going to go ahead and get a little spray on here for our binder. Avocado oil. Yeah, there we go. We're going with all-purpose blend. Korean barbecue from Spiceology. Got this at Costco. So we're going to give it a shot. See if we can, shake up our flavor profile. I like the way it looks. It smells good too. Forget them sides. Don't forget them sides. We're going to go pretty liberal. We ain't going to add nothing else but this rub. You see how cold it is. They say it's supposed to be, man, that rub cold. So we going to see. So like I said, I like the way it's looking though. So I'm gonna let this rest for about an hour. Fire up this grill, pecan wood, and it's gonna be all good. Woo! He got bars. Look at that. Yes. Man, that thing, that seasoning sitting on there for an hour. Man, look good. Look how it's glistening in the sun. Man. All right. We're gonna go on here. We're just gonna let it get about 3 hours. Get a little color on each side. 90 minutes on that side, 90 minutes on that side, and then we're gonna wrap. So it should, hopefully, I'm not gonna claim time. I did that on one video before, and it went way longer. So that's why we got the probe in here to go ahead and help guide us. $90 in. Flippity flip. That looks nice. All right, do another 90 minutes, and then we're gonna wrap. We're gonna wrap it in butcher paper. All right, till then. Ooh-wee. 165 degrees. Look at all that fat starting to render. Oh yes. Let's wrap her up. We ain't done. We're gonna take it to 205. It's barbecue, baby. All right, y'all. This baby is ready to come off. We right at 205 now. Oh, look at it. Look at this jiggling. It's about to fall apart. All that good juice up in there. All right, we about to take it on in. We about to go eat, y'all. All right, this bad boy been resting. Let it rest for a couple of hours. Oh, yeah. Still hot. Oh, wait. All right, we're gonna get ready to chop this up. Let's take a look at this beautiful day. Like butter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, those are like little burnt ends. We're gonna get this chopped up and Laid it up on a sandwich. Y'all, I've been tasting it as I've been pulling it. And man, it tastes good by itself. We're gonna go ahead and add some sauce on here. Yeah, put that all like that. Sandwich together. Man, that looks beautiful. Put a little raw onions on there. Bam. Now it's time to dive in, baby. Ridiculous flavor. And them raw onions with those toasted buns add like a nice little distinct taste. Almost, excuse me for saying this, McDonald's like. So y'all saw how we came up with this. Do this for the family, friends, everybody. They gonna love this, boy. They gonna be like, ugh. They're gonna be shaking. They're gonna be coming back. Somebody gonna be coming back for a number 2 sandwich. So that might be like me. I'm gonna be coming for a second sandwich after I eat this. So I see I ain't got no sides, so I gotta go ahead and get the second sandwich. All right, check this out. Y'all saw how it was done. Real easy. The cook was only about 4.5 hours, so it went real smooth. We wrapped it up in paper in about the last hour and a half. Real smooth. I appreciate you for watching as always. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. We're gonna keep on cooking all summer long. All right, peace.